mocking my salad? Are you laughing? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in my kitchen and I'm gonna show you a few side dishes to spice up your holiday table. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the famous roast potatoes. There are so many ways to make it, but this is my favorite way and I'm gonna show you how. First, take some potatoes and you're gonna cut them into large chunks. I'm adding the potatoes to a pot. We're going to add some cold water, salt it well and parboil it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bruise our potatoes. While the potato cools down, I'm going to prep the oil. Just to infuse the oil, I'm going to add some rosemary. I'm going to add some garlic peels. Remember, the oil is really hot, so just be very careful. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take one piece at a time and lay it on the oil. Every 15 minutes, turn the potatoes around to make sure it's evenly roasted. So while the potatoes are roasting, I'm going to get the base ready, which is the caramelized onions. The caramelized onions really complements the savory, crispy potatoes. Chili flakes, just for some spice, and take it off the heat. Looks like it's ready now. Let's take it out. As you can see, the inside is really soft and fluffy, and the out area, the skin, is extremely crispy. It's so hot. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest pasta seafood salad. First, I'm going to add some celery. Then we're going to add some shrimp. I usually add imitation crab as well. I really like the texture and also the color of it. But one of the people who are going to eat this can't eat imitation crab, so I'm going to avoid this for now and I'm going to mix it in later. But definitely, if you have, add it. And obviously, we're going to add our pasta. And lastly, I'm going to add some capsicum, and this is honestly just for the color. We're going to add dill. It goes so well in a seafood salad. We're going to add some olive oil. Olive oil adds, like any fat, adds flavor. So I'm just going to do a drizzle of olive oil. And for the dressing, we're going to use a simple Thousand Island. And we're also going to add some mayo. And last but not least, freshly ground pepper. Alright guys, that's it with this one. All I'm going to do before serving is garnish with some more dill and add a squeeze of lime just for the freshness. Do refrigerate this for about an hour or two so it's cool and nice and you're ready to go. How easy, and this is so good. This is really, really delicious. Every table needs something fresh, so that's what we are doing with this salad. So we're going to start with a bed of spinach, and then we are going to add some green apples. I always like to add something from season for a salad, and this time I'm adding cherries because that's in season here in Australia. And if you don't have cherries, you can even add cranberries, like dried cranberries if you can't find fresh cranberries. Also, the cherries give a pop of color, which I love.
Is it a fruit salad?
No. Why?
You have apple, you have cherries.
It's a salad. It's not a fruit salad. Stop mocking my salad. Are you laughing? Alright. Now we are going to add some feta. Lastly, I'm going to add some nuts. I have chosen pine nuts. That's my favorite to go to. I have lightly roasted them and this is going to add some nutty aroma as well as a crunchy bite to your salad. That's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dress it up very simply. Olive oil, salt, pepper and lime. That's it. And I'm going to do that just before serving. But look how beautiful she looks. Looks very Christmassy, although you called it a fruit salad. Alright, we're going to do the final dish, that is spicy cashews. For that, we need to head to the stove. Let's go. Alright, we're going to get started. I have heated my oil. I definitely added more oil than I should have, but I'll put all the ingredients in the description, so just follow that. First, I'm gonna fry some garlic and dried chili. And the idea of this is actually to flavor the oil as well. Alright, next I'm gonna fry my onions. Alright, I'm gonna now add curry leaves. You just need to fry them until they're glossy green and crispy. It would take just a minute or even less sometimes. Alright, now we're bringing in our main hero, that's the cashews. Let's get them fried. This smells so good and it also looks amazing. So in Sri Lanka we call this a baduma, and this is kind of a simple version of it. As a side dish, this would be perfect because we are going to add the final dressing, which is chili powder. So you can make this as spicy as you want. And you are obviously gonna salt it. And finally, squeeze of lemon. That's it. Alright guys, that's it. Comment below and let me know what are some of the recipes you'd like to see in the future. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. And I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.